If you're looking to host a course for internal company training but aren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to set up and host a successful internal training course quickly, effectively, and without the overwhelm. Whether you're training new hires or leveling up your team's skills, this is the perfect guide for you. Stick around until the end because I've got an exclusive free trial of software I highly recommend for hosting your courses. First things first, you need to determine the course content. This step is crucial. Ask yourself, what does my team need to learn? Tailor the course to address the most pressing gaps or skills. Whether it's software training, soft skills, or compliance, be clear on your objectives and outcomes. Next, organize your content. Break the material into digestible modules. Each module should have a clear learning objective. You want to make sure your training is structured so that employees can easily follow along and grasp the concepts. Think of it like a roadmap for their learning journey. Then, choose your delivery method. Are you going to deliver it live or pre-record the lessons? Live sessions are great for real-time engagement, while recorded lessons provide flexibility for your team to access the training when they need it. If you're going live, make sure to schedule the sessions in advance and send out calendar invites to keep your team on track. Now, let's talk about the tools you'll need. You've probably heard of a few options already: LMS, learning management system, platforms, video conferencing software, and maybe even internal tools. But I want to recommend something that I've used myself. I've tried a variety of the most popular platforms for hosting internal training, and the software we'll be using today makes it all streamlined. It has everything you need: easy course creation, assignment tracking, and live session integration. And the best part, there's an exclusive free trial for my channel viewers. You can follow along and check out the software risk-free. As you set up your course, make sure to incorporate interactive elements. Quizzes, assignments, and discussion boards will help engage your employees. It's not just about giving them information, it's about keeping them engaged and ensuring they apply what they've learned. Once your course is ready, it's time to promote it internally. Use your internal communication channels like email, Slack, or your company intranet to let everyone know about the course. Be sure to highlight the benefits of taking the course and make it clear how it will improve their day-to-day work. The more you get them excited, the better the engagement. During the training, encourage participation and feedback. Don't just sit back and hope they're learning. Ask for feedback on the training itself and use it to improve future courses. It's all about making the experience as valuable as possible for your team. After the course ends, offer certifications or completion badges to acknowledge those who successfully complete the course. This adds value and motivates employees to complete the training. To recap, hosting an internal company training course boils down to defining your course objectives, organizing your content, deciding your delivery method, choosing the right tools, engaging your team, and promoting it effectively. And remember, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software I mentioned earlier, link in the description below. It's the perfect tool to make your training seamless. Key takeaway: when hosting an internal company training course, focus on clarity and engagement. Tailor your content, organize it well, and use tools that simplify the process for both you and your employees. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your free trial in the description below.